One of the big things I am thankful for is that they do have charges right now to charge him with, but at the same time, I view that as just completely separate and not relatable in a way for the years that he took away from me.
That's Lee Chatfield's sister-in-law, Rebecca, who says he sexually abused her as a child. While he's not facing any charges in that case, Rebecca's allegations led to the investigation, which the AG says uncovered an abuse of financial power. I spoke with her tonight, and Rebecca Chatfield says she doesn't understand why the Attorney General did not charge her brother-in-law with sexual crimes.
Hearing her say those words, that there is not enough evidence, that there aren't enough facts, I immediately started to shake. I immediately started to cry because my entire life leading up to these last 2.5 years just replayed in my head.
She's the woman who led investigators to uncover evidence they say Lee Chatfield cheated the voters in Michigan.
Lee Chatfield used various different schemes to embezzle, steal, and convert both private and public monies to fund a lavish lifestyle that his state salary could not possibly afford.
On Tuesday, Attorney General Dana Nessel announced charges against Lee Chatfield and his wife Stephanie. Lee Chatfield faces 13 charges, including conducting a criminal enterprise, which carries a maximum prison sentence of 20 years, while Stephanie faces charges of embezzlement and conspiracy.
The fact that the alleged financial crimes, including the egregious and blatant embezzlement of taxpayer dollars and nonprofit funds for personal gain and enrichment, were able to go undetected for so long underscores a failure of our current laws to prohibit corruption in state government.
State officials are calling on lawmakers for change.
The misuse of social welfare funds is not a new practice in Lansing.
Nessel says Rebecca Chatfield's sexual abuse allegations sparked the more than 2-year investigation. The accuser, who still feels powerless through it all.
I was very confused, and he would constantly remind me that I had more to lose than him.
Nessel says she doesn't have enough evidence to prosecute the sexual assault allegations and praises Rebecca for coming forward.
Were it not for her, we likely wouldn't be here today announcing charges at all.
She had the courage to tell the truth, and I believe if nothing else, hopefully it got this guy off the streets. Even if it's only through financial crimes, hopefully it's gotten him off the streets.
News 10 did reach out to Lee Chatfield's attorney for comment on the charges. She says, in quote, it took almost 2.5 years for the Attorney General's office to come up with charges against Mr. Chatfield. We are prepared to fight them each and every step of the way. Both Lee and Stephanie Chatfield are due in East Lansing District Court on May 2nd at 9 o'clock in the morning. News 10 will bring you the latest updates both on air and online.